In this video, we will name the Bloomden Mini Machine X5 for dental factory or dental labs who want to take advantage of digital dental mini machine. We present the revolutionary Mini Machine X5. Comparing the size of the mini machine with that of the laptop, it has compact size and structure. It is convenient for remote training because of its Wi-Fi build. X5 utilized the plate dustproof structure, which has better dustproof effect. The dust collector will automatically open when it starts to coarsen and be closed for the other time. It is box structure with high rigidity. It also offers 4 sliders in each axis to make sure the body is not deformed. X5 supports many fixtures, which can be transformed into a fixture required for special cutting. It is easy to use virtual machine panel to control machine diagnostics and calibration. There are many features to mill, 5-axis, 5-linkage cutting, as well as material-saving cutting. X5 can mill zirconia full denture. It also equipped with partial framework. It provides 5-axis, many of standard block including PMMA, wax, and zirconia. We can switch languages through the Windows setting, find the region, and language setting. You can choose languages here. This is the whole details of Bloomden Mini Machine X5. For more information, please log in www.bloomzer.com.